You might have a pantry full of canned goods and a fully packed bug-out bag sitting by the door, but if your survival blueprint is missing the true core pillars of off-grid endurance, your entire stockpile is completely useless. Most beginners leave massive, fatal blind spots in their emergency plans. Welcome to the Prepper's Path. Today we are breaking down the 5 critical items you need on your prepper checklist. Let's go. Number 1. Gravity water filtration system. Stop relying entirely on pocket-sized filter straws. They are meant for temporary hiking, not keeping a family alive. You absolutely must have a high-capacity stainless steel gravity filter to safely process hundreds of gallons of heavily contaminated water right at your home base. Number 2. Physical silver. When the digital banking system freezes or hyperinflation destroys the purchasing power of the dollar, fiat currency becomes completely worthless. You need a stockpile of physical silver, specifically 1-ounce rounds or pre-1965 junk silver coins, for local barter, trading, and long-term off-grid wealth preservation. Number 3. A dedicated trauma IFAK. Your standard bathroom first aid kit will not stop a major arterial bleed. You must upgrade to a true individual first aid kit featuring a genuine CAT tourniquet, hemostatic packing gauze, and Israeli pressure bandages to handle severe, life-threatening trauma when emergency services are offline. Number 4. Local topographical maps. When the cell towers go down, your GPS and smartphone mapping apps go with them. You need waterproof, hardcopy topographical maps of your immediate 100-mile radius, along with a high-quality compass to navigate safely and identify alternative off-road evacuation routes. Number 5. Heirloom seed bank. Even the largest food stockpiles will eventually run completely dry. To guarantee long-term survival, you must possess a diverse, sealed vault of non-GMO heirloom seeds. This ensures you can grow, harvest, and replant your own independent, renewable food supply year after year. Do not wait until a disaster strikes to realize your plan is incomplete. Cross these items off your list today. Prep now, panic never. Hit subscribe for more hardcore survival tactics, and I'll see you next time.